Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and those who are new, welcome to my YouTube channel. Actually, this video is a second part of my previous video, which is identify your pain body. So I am going to explain more about pain body in this video and share an exercise to dissolve or delete your pain body. But first of all, I will share more information about pain body, so that those who are new, those of you who are new on my YouTube channel, you can understand the pain body. And guys, pain body is really, understanding pain body is really very important, so that you could not hurt yourself because of this pain body, your pain body, and you could not hurt anyone else, because ultimately hurting anyone else will backfire you, because ultimately you are going to hurt yourself by hurting others, because this is a universal law. Okay, this is the universal law that what we give, we get. So what is pain body? Guys, pain body is a negative energetic field which we create when we feel that something negative is projected by someone or some situation, which is actually our pain body. It is not real that somebody else can make us feel something like a negative or worst. But actually guys, the truth is, what we feel is actually our responsibility. It is no one else's responsibility. Guys, the favorite emotions of pain bodies are, first of all, revenge feeling. Okay guys, then there are a lot of negative emotions which is actually a favorite thing of pain body. First, I told you revenge feeling. Second, angry, becoming angry, getting angry. Then sadness, then anxiety, then worries, then fear. These are all emotions related to pain body. I have some more emotions related to this: superiority and inferiority. Whenever you feel that you are superior than other and people should follow you, and when it doesn't happen, then you try to control the situation, the people. This is actually the ego which is created by your pain body. And inferiority, which is actually related to your unworthiness. It is not like that you are unworthy, you feel like you are unworthy. That is why this inferiority complex comes in your mind. So you try to fight it back. When you feel that you are feeling like inferior than somebody else, then you try to control that person, you try to fight back, you try to fight in a situation. And these all are, which I explained you, are part of pain body and nothing else. So guys, whenever your pain body is actually controlling your subconscious mind or your mind, you will want to shout, you will want to fight, hit anyone, you will get suicidal thoughts, you will feel stuck. And when you feel these things, you will want to control people, you will want to take revenge, manipulate people, and do every negative thing possible so that it could satisfy your pain body. And ultimately, after taking such kind of negative actions, ultimately one more emotion will come, and that is guilt. That, have I done something wrong? Am I a bad person, a villain of somebody's story? So yes, this is all actually done by pain body. And guys, you are not wrong, or you are not a villain of somebody else's stories. You are not a character, a negative character of somebody else's story. It is just your pain body. So do not worry. And in this video, I'm gonna share the exercise with which you can dissolve this pain body. Actually, this pain body is the villain of everyone else's and yours story. Guys, what happens, this is one more thing I want to share, that This pain body is actually some emotions which you bottled up when some kind of terrible thing happened with you and you were not able to take action or react. So this bottled up emotion, negative emotion, actually comes every now and then whenever you feel something negative is happening with you. So what you try to do is hurt anyone with every negative emotions which I shared in this video previously. So ultimately, by taking negative emotions, who is going to get hurt more is you and no one else. Okay, this pain body will actually tell you, take revenge, get angry, you know, have sadness, be unhappy. First, if even if you take actions, negative action towards any situation or people, this pain body will only satisfy you for short time, and then again it will remind you of that same people, those same people and those same emotions. Ultimately you are going to get hurt by yourself, your subconscious mind, when you give control to the pain body. So this exercise is going to actually dissolve your pain body. So you should watch this video consciously, and you should concentrate in this video and listen to it very carefully. This exercise which I am sharing in this video for dissolving the pain body, and whenever your pain body is actually taking control over your subconscious mind, you can read this whole exercise and practice. So I have written this for you. You can stick it on the wall, or if you want to keep it safely, keep it safely, so that whenever you feel like your pain body is controlling over you, because pain body is residing in everyone. We just have to practice exercises to dissolve it whenever it comes. So just keep it safe. Whenever your pain body is taking control over you, whenever you feel it, you can take it out and read it. First one you have to do is, whenever you feel, just observe that that emotion. What is it? Anger, jealousy, sadness, revenge, unworthiness. What is actually coming? Okay guys. Second is, feel it. Guys, you have to feel it. Accept, yes, you are feeling like this. You are feeling unworthy, you are feeling jealous, maybe you are feeling angry, you are feeling taking revenge. Okay. Third is, observe what you want to do. At this point, obviously, if you are feeling some kind of negativity in your subconscious mind, you will want to do something, post something on social media to target that person, or you want to show something on your social media so that that person could get hurt. Okay, you will want to fight, even the suicidal feeling will come. Okay, then you just have to observe what is actually coming. What do you want to do at this point? Fourth is, if you want to cry it out, do it. Release that pain. Okay. Punch pillows. Okay. If you want to hit, just hit the pillows, nobody else, or just do not harm yourself and do not harm anybody else. Okay guys. When this step is completed, fifth is, now take deep breath. Deep breathing actually, guys, calm our mind. So just take deep breathing, as many as you want to, just to calm yourself. Okay, this is what I do. Now sixth is, now observe. After taking these deep breaths, what you actually feel. You can practice this so many times, guys. You can practice as many times as it is possible, so that you can calm yourself. I practice it personally and I have seen the results. Okay guys, so whenever I am in my pain body, whenever I even feel that my pain body is going to come, I actually practice this exercise. Okay, I have these exercise actually Sixth one, where I will read this. Observe what you feel. You will feel much calmer. When the fifth step is completed, this deep breathing, cycle you have completed, you will feel much calmer. Every time you feel, this is what I have written for myself. Every time you feel negative, just practice this. You will feel calmer. And you know what, guys? When we feel calmer, the solution comes by itself. For any problem where we were thinking this is so negative and I'm stuck, and all the negative emotions comes because of our pain body, when we practice this exercise and we become calmer, the solution comes by itself. So this is the best exercise you can follow to dissolve your pain body. I hope I have made you understand clearly. Thank you so much, guys.